Welcome, dear viewers. Today we're talking about pastry recipes, and we'll be presenting you with the step-by-step preparation. Before we dive in, if you like the idea, don't forget to support us by subscribing to the channel and hitting the like button so we can bring you more delicious recipes. In a bowl, we mix a kilo of flour with a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a tablespoon of yeast, and a 1/4 cup of oil. If needed, we add 2 cups of milk. We mix the ingredients well until we get a firm dough, and finally add a tablespoon of oil and let it ferment until it doubles in size. After fermenting, we cut the dough into small balls and arrange them, letting them rest for at least 10 minutes before shaping. We prepare the cheese and parsley filling, or any other filling you prefer. We roll out the dough and place a spoonful of filling, then roll it up and cut the second half into long strips. We continue rolling the dough until we get a perfect rose shape. Then we arrange them on a baking sheet and let them ferment for half an hour. All ingredients will be listed in the description box in Arabic, French, and English. When you're ready to shape the dough, first make sure that the dough is ready and well inflated from fermentation. Then, you can start dividing it into small parts to make it suitable for the shape you want to make. As for the shapes, there are different shapes you can make with the dough, like circles, cylinders, or wavy shapes. The most important thing is to make sure that the shapes are symmetrical and of equal size so that they take an equal time to cook. Cooking time and temperature. After you finish shaping the dough, you need to preheat the oven to an appropriate temperature before putting the dough in it. Usually, the oven temperature is between 170 to 180 degrees Celsius. The cooking time varies depending on the type of sweets or pastries you're making. Typically, small pastries like cookies require less cooking time than cakes or large pastries. Some may need 10 to 15 minutes, while others may need 20 to 30 minutes. Therefore, it's essential to keep track of the cooking time and check the sweets regularly to ensure that they are evenly browned and not burnt. Don't forget your sweet likes, enthusiasm, and subscribing to the channel if you're watching for the first time. Trust me, you'll be surprised with all the new content